If you don't have time to mince garlic with a knife, try using a handy kitchen gadget. See one of our other videos for ways to easily remove garlic peels. Once garlic has been peeled, it is time to pull out the tools. First up is the garlic press. Place 1 to 2 cloves of peeled garlic inside of the garlic press and squeeze both handles together with one hand. Watch as the garlic comes out of the perforated holes perfectly minced and ready to use. Remove garlic with a butter knife. Next up is the Rocker-Mincer. Place 1 to 3 cloves of garlic on a cutting board and hold the Rocker-Mincer in one hand. Apply pressure and maneuver the Rocker-Mincer until garlic is at your desired consistency. Remove garlic with a butter knife or spoon.